Tampa General Hospital wants patients with United insurance to know that they will remain in network. 10 Investigates reported on Tuesday that United ended its contract with TeamHealth. That's a private staffing company that employs emergency doctors who work at TGH. Tampa General told 10 Investigates that United patients will still get care in their emergency department and that patients will be unaffected financially by this matter between TeamHealth and United. United Healthcare says TeamHealth would not agree to cut how much they are reimbursed. In turn, the ER doctors at TGH have taken roughly 4% cuts in their pay. You can see what both sides have to say about this story on WTSP.com.